When it comes to protecting your facility, the roof is your first line of defense. But if you're not kept up on your warranty, that could mean major damage and costly repairs out of your pocket. Today, I talked to Greg Haas about what can void your roof warranty and how you can protect yourself.
Once your warranty is voided, it does come up a lot of issues that, if you end up having a leak, a lot of times the warranty does not cover that because you've just lost your warranty coverage. On a voided warranty, a lot of things are not covered under the warranty. Repair calls, damage to the roof. Majority of your warranty is pretty much null and void. That means a lot of your issues on your roof cannot be covered under the warranty. The things that void a warranty are new equipment being installed on your roof system. You did not notify your contractor that this was being done. Different materials that were put on this roof can also void your warranty. So, make sure that you read your warranty before you do any alterations to your roof. That way it doesn't void your warranty. Now, if your warranty is voided and you have issues, it's basically gonna come out of your pocket. The cost of the repairs or any material that needs to be replaced comes out of your pocket.
For more information, you can read the full article on our website. And to learn more about what to do when your roof warranty expires, you can find the link to the full video in the description below.